So, another update on the DJI Fly app. But guys, it's only at the moment on the RC2, not on the DJI Fly app. So I've got to thank Nobby yet again for coming up with this amazing update. What it's for, I think what it seems to be, guys, that DJI wants you to use your controller more now for checking for updates than maybe checking on your app on your phone or your tablet. But so we just go into it. Let's just get it going. So you don't need your drone, you just need your controller. It's just a firmware update on the RC2 only at the moment. So we all know there's going to be further updates on the RCN1, RCN2, all the other stuff that just drives me nuts. But then that's because I've got so many drones. So the new way of checking now, guys, is when you go on your menu, we go into profile. Okay, so I have to go into my profile. But what I'm going to do, I'm just going to prove the fact. So I'm just going to say not now. We're going to go into profile. And then we go down, we scroll down to settings, about, and if you noticed on the about, there's a little red dot there, and we check for firmware updates, and it says it's up to date. That's what I didn't do properly, so make sure that you click the about properly, and then it will come up. And as you can see at the top there, V1.13.5. So if we click on that, okay, update. So interesting that the update thing warning come up even before waiting for a profile. But I think this is what it's all about, guys. I think DJI want you then to check using your controller for updates in the future. It sounds like the last update that we did have, some people were having major issues, but thankfully I didn't have any issues on that. So it's doing the update in the background there. I don't think it takes long. I suppose the only problem with this is how do you know it's actually updating? Because before you used to get the little dial thing, didn't you? With this you don't. It's just... Right, what I will do while that's going on, I'll just stick my drone on a minute, because I'm right in thinking I had my Air 3 on this. That's updating that firmware. Okay. So on there, I've got 13.4. Okay. As far as I know, that's up to date. Check for updates. That's up to date as well. Okay, go back to that. Okay. Interesting. We come out of that and go into profile. Scroll down to settings, about. And I'll do that. Interesting there, because when I pressed download, it just disappeared. I wasn't even sure if it was downloading. So it does seem to think if you don't touch that screen properly, guys, you've got to persevere. I mean, now it's actually downloading the app now. So that's probably something else that, I mean, I never had a problem before, and now they've done a new app update on the controller itself. That's caused me a bit of an issue, really, because if I hadn't checked it, I just presumed it had updated it. But anyway, we all know that there's going to be further updates in the coming days, I would imagine, because you can't have an app that's updated on your controller, but your actual Fly app is still one behind. Bit bizarre how that's happened with DJI, but hey, I suppose we got different time zones to China, and this is probably another reason why these. So no doubt today there's possibly going to be another update. So anyway, it's going through there. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I got my drone. I didn't need to have my drone on really. I only put the drone on just to check. Just going to put on the screen save so you can see what's going on. Okay, just put that over there. So what we do, we go into the about, and there it is. It's the 1.13.5 now. I'll just do another check on the aircraft firmware. That's all up to date, so there's nothing going on there, so that's good. What we will check, everything else looks all right. Obviously my my maximum altitude is never going to change now, unfortunately. As you can see there. What else do I need to check? Camera. It's always worth checking these, guys. Sometimes it does, for some reason, knock it out on about the settings, but everything else looks fine. Now, I've watched Gavin. Gavin's another amazing channel as well. Not being notified, Gavin. Gavin actually gone out to test the DJI 4, the 4 Pro, I should say. He had no problem. So that's the main thing, isn't it? There's going to be no problems. I will go out later on today because somebody's been asking me about. He's asking me to check out something. I think it's something to do with the tracking. Is it still okay? Anyway, that will be in a future video, but I can see me making another video of this very soon somehow. Anyway, as always, thank you much for watching. I'll catch you in another video very soon.